Hello everyone. In the last two videos, we talked about DAX measure and DAX variable. So, in class two, we covered the DAX measure, how the DAX measure works in SSAS, and how the DAX var statement works in the analysis service. Right. So we're supposed to talk DAX table in class four, but unfortunately, I'm not able to create any demo because of versioning limitation. So the DAX table was introduced in 2020, and which is available in the SSAS 16 version onwards. But in my local, I installed the 15 version. Due to that reason, I'm not able to create any demo. But yeah, later in the future, so once I upgraded this analysis service version in my local to 16, then I will come back to here and record the session for the class. Until that, so I'll upload the whatever video that I recorded now. So I will upload under the class 4 and reserve the class 4. Okay. So we'll come back later. Um, Sorry for the last minute surprise because I didn't realize that I'm using the 15 version. Okay. This morning only I came to know that. Okay. Sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.